So improvement processes, how do you make them smooth and as easy as laundry? Stay tuned for more. Hey guys, talking about processes, improvement processes, and in many businesses improvements or operational excellence is treated in a way that it's a kind of extracurricular activity, so it's not happening on a regular basis. And I have a story that I want to share with you, and it involves one of my partners, Brian. Because when I moved over to the US, I actually moved into Brian's house for a little while just to get my bearings. And when you move into US from another country, you don't have any sort of credit. I'm going to duck underneath a little branch here. So if you don't have a credit, you can't really get a place to rent either. So anyway, so I'm sitting there in the kitchen having a cup of coffee, enjoying myself a little bit Saturday morning, and suddenly we have these saloon type doors. The door swings open and in comes Brian. He says, "Johan, the laundry is done." And I said, "What do you mean, for today or?" And he looked a little bit depressed when I said that. And you know, you have a feeling that laundry is never really done, right? It keeps on coming and coming and coming. So I start thinking about, like I don't often do, I start thinking about laundry, and I realized that the laundry process is very much like an improvement process. Because you move stuff into a hopper of some sort, or your hamper maybe you call it, and put all your dirty laundry in there. Then you might bring it to your laundry room, you pour stuff out on the floor perhaps, and you do a deployment. So you make a Pareto analysis, you put all the colors and different temperatures in different piles. So you might take the highest pile and you put in the machine first. The machine launders everything, then you dry it maybe, you fold it, and you restore basic conditions. And then somebody's using it, it goes back into the hopper, and around and around it goes. That is a process, right? It never ends, deliver a clear result. But here's a thought around that. You can improve that process as well, right? You could teach your kids to put the stuff in the hopper and maybe help out with the folding or whatever. Or you can maybe find new ways of doing it. Just choose one pair type of socks, for example, so you don't have to sort them or whatever you do. And in any case, it can be improved. But it's also a process. But here's something that's interesting, for me at least, when I do my laundry. I never really tell anyone, right? It's so obvious. It's such a simple process. I've done it so many times. My parents trained me. I took care of my family there one summer, and I had to do all the laundry and cooking and everything. It was fantastic. Good learning for me. But it's natural. It just happens. And that's the point where you need your operational excellence systems to come to. That your processes are executed with ease. Everybody knows, everybody's trained, and it's easy to do it. How do you like that story? What's your thought about this? Please let me know. Challenge me now. Tell me I'm wrong in this one. Tell me it's not at all a process. Tell me you can do things ad hoc is much better. Yeah, you have a chance to really show me now, right? Comment below. You can also potentially agree. Comment below. Let me know. Like and share. As always, guys, keep supporting. Much appreciated. Thank you so much for listening.